Basic SEO tools are crucial for enhancing your website's search visibility. They help identify keywords, analyze competitors, and optimize on-page elements. By leveraging these tools, you can improve your site's ranking, attract more organic traffic, and ultimately drive growth. Understanding and utilizing these tools effectively is key to unlocking your website's full potential. SEO tools are crucial, as 93% of online experiences start with a search engine. With 75% of users never clicking past the first page and the first position receiving 10 times more clicks than the 10th. These tools help optimize content, understand audiences, and track success, ensuring your website isn't lost in search results. Google Search Console acts as your website's health dashboard, offering insights into search queries that drive traffic. It provides detailed indexing status reports and alerts on technical issues affecting rankings. This tool is crucial for technical search engine optimization, ensuring your site remains visible and healthy in Google search results. Google Search Console is a free tool essential for technical search engine optimization. It helps monitor and troubleshoot your site's presence in Google search results. It reveals search queries driving traffic, provides indexing status reports, and alerts you to technical issues affecting rankings, serving as a direct communication channel with Google about your website's health. The performance report in Google Search Console allows you to track clicks, impressions, click-through rate, and search position. Use the URL inspection tool to check page indexing and troubleshoot issues. The coverage report helps identify crawl errors and indexing problems. Submit your XML sitemap to enhance Google's discovery and crawling efficiency. Google Analytics offers insights into visitor behavior, revealing how users interact with your site. Analyze click patterns, session durations, and navigation paths to optimize user experience. This data is crucial for refining content strategy and enhancing engagement, ensuring your website meets user needs effectively. Google Analytics offers precise tracking of website traffic, monitoring every visitor, session, and page view in real time. It reveals user interactions, highlighting clicks and time spent on content. Additionally, it measures conversions by tracking goals, purchases, and signups, providing essential insights for search engine optimization impact and informed marketing strategies. Google Analytics offers a real-time overview, allowing you to monitor live visitors and their actions on an interactive map. Audience reports provide insights into demographics, interests, and device usage. Acquisition reports reveal traffic sources, while behavior flow visualizes the user journey from entry to exit, offering a comprehensive understanding of user interactions. Ubersuggest excels in keyword research, offering insights into high-potential keywords with low competition. It provides detailed competitor analysis, revealing content gaps in your niche. This tool, developed by Neil Patel, is user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners seeking actionable search engine optimization strategies. Ubersuggest, crafted by Neil Patel, is a robust search engine optimization tool offering keyword research, search engine optimization audits, and competitor analysis. Its user-friendly interface is ideal for beginners, providing actionable insights. It identifies high-potential, low-competition keywords and reveals content gaps, empowering users to enhance their search engine optimization strategies effectively. Begin with a seed keyword to generate numerous related ideas, complete with search volume, search engine optimization difficulty, and cost per click data. Analyze top-ranking pages for these keywords, examining backlink profiles to understand their success. Discover trending content topics in your niche and monitor keyword rankings to refine your strategy effectively. Google Keyword Planner, initially crafted for advertisers, is a powerful ally for search engine optimization. It offers precise keyword data, including search volume and competition metrics, directly from Google's database. This tool aids in strategic keyword prioritization, aligning with business goals and maximizing return on investment through accurate insights into search intent. Google Keyword Planner, initially crafted for advertisers, excels in planning pay-per-click campaigns with precise budget forecasting. Its accurate search volume and competition metrics make it indispensable for search engine optimization, offering strategic keyword prioritization based on business goals, search intent, and potential return on investment. This tool's data accuracy stems from Google's own search database, ensuring reliable insights. Discover keywords by entering products, services, or your website URL to generate relevant ideas. Review metrics like average monthly searches, competition levels, and bid estimates. Organize keywords into thematic ad groups or search engine optimization content clusters for targeted optimization, ensuring strategic alignment with your business goals. Google Search Console ensures your site is technically healthy and indexed, enhancing visibility. Google Analytics provides insights into visitor behavior and conversion paths. Ubersuggest identifies keyword opportunities and competitor strategies. Google Keyword Planner aids in strategic keyword prioritization. Mastering these tools transforms search performance, driving organic traffic and building a sustainable audience.